Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. She not here yesterday. A is B, was C, wasn't. Option C is the correct answer. They playing football now. A is B. R, C, M. Option B is the correct answer. I, a student. A, M, B, R, C is. Option A is the correct answer. The birds singing in the garden. A sang B, sings C, are singing. Option C is the correct answer. Eat tea every morning. A, drink B, drinks C, drinking. Option B is the correct answer. We to the market yesterday. A, went B, go C, going. Option A is the correct answer. She already finished her homework. A has B, have C, had. Option C is the correct answer. The baby crying now. A, M, B is C, R. Option B is the correct answer. They my best friends. A, E, R, B is C, M. Option A is the correct answer. He to school yesterday. A, goes B, go C, went. Option C is the correct answer. She watching TV now? A, M, B is C, R. Option B is the correct answer. We in New York last year. A, lived B, lives C, live E. Option A is the correct answer. The sun in the east. A rising, B rises, C rise. Option C is the correct answer. He usually breakfast at 8 o'clock. A, eat, B, eats, C, eating. Option B is the correct answer. They late to school yesterday. A, where B was C, R. Option A is the correct answer. We studying when it rained. A is B, where C, R. Option C is the correct answer. She a new dress for the party. A. Buys. B. Bought. C. Buy. Option B is the correct answer. I not like mangoes. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. Option A is the correct answer. They in the garden now. A. M. B. R. C. Is. Option C is the correct answer. He football when it started raining. A. Play. B. Was playing. C. Plays. Option B is the correct answer. The teacher very kind. A. R. B. Is C. Amr. Option A is the correct answer. She going to the park now. A. Was B. Is C. Am. Option C is the correct answer. We friends since 2010. A has been, B have been, C, E had. Option B is the correct answer. He not eat meat. A does B, do C did. Option A is the correct answer. The boys playing cricket. A is B. R C aim. Option C is the correct answer. She a doctor. A and B is C R. Option B is the correct answer. They, Huck's gone to Los Angeles. A, had B, has C, have. Option A is the correct answer. The children making noise. A is B. R, C, am. Option C is the correct answer. We already finished our homework. A, have B, has C, had. Option B is the correct answer. I playing when he arrived. A was B, is C, R. Option A is the correct answer. She late yesterday. A, R, B is C, was. Option C is the correct answer. They watching TV now. A is B, R, C, M, A. Option B is the correct answer. He, my best friend. A is B, R, C, am. Option A is the correct answer. The birds flying in the sky. A flies, B flew, C are flying. Option C is the correct answer. We at the park yesterday. A was B, were C are. Option B is the correct answer. She not gone yet. A, do, B, does, C, did. Option A is the correct answer. They studying now. A, and B are C is. Option C is the correct answer. He always kind. A are B is C, M. Option B is the correct answer. The sun hot today. A are B is C was. Option A is the correct answer. The dog barking now. A, bark, B, barks, C is barking. Option C is the correct answer. I tired today. A, am, B are C is. Option B is the correct answer. She's singing beautifully. A, sing, B, sings, C, singing. Option A is the correct answer. They not here yesterday. A, are B, were C, was. Option C is the correct answer. We happy now. A is B, are C, am A. Option B is the correct answer. He my brother. A is B, R, C, M. Option A is the correct answer. The teacher angry now. A was B is C, R. Option C is the correct answer. They gone home already. A has B, have C had. Option B is the correct answer. She her bag yesterday. A, lost B, loses C, lose. Option A is the correct answer. We playing cricket now. A and B are C is. Option C is the correct answer. He in class yesterday. A was B is C were. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.